Hello, my name is Christy Christmas, and today we are doing a science lesson for 6th grade. We're going to talk about the first 3 sections of this lesson plan. The Common Core standard that we are using is NS 164, which is to construct and interpret scientific data using data tables and charts, bar and double bar graphs, line graphs, stem and leaf plots, and line graphs. The Arkansas Math Standard that we will be using is 6 SPB4, and that is to display numerical data in plots on a number line, including dot plots, histograms, and box plots. The objective for the student learning this lesson is the learner will learn how to collect data by reading a rain gauge. The students will record the data on a number line. I have chosen these objectives because it is important for students to understand how to gather data and display it on a graph. These are skills that will be used in higher education as well as different jobs that the student may eventually have, such as forestry or careers in finance. The student grouping for this lesson will be that I will start the lesson a whole group instruction explaining the concept of a line graph. Then the class will be broken into smaller groups. The groups will consist of about 3 students per group depending on the size of the class. I have chosen this grouping because I feel that whole group instruction will allow for discussion and for me to model how to make a line graph. The students will then be broken into the smaller groups to allow the students to work and learn with their peers. This will help the students who may not quite understand the skill be able to learn from the peers. The methods of instruction will be, I will use this lesson using direct instruction, modeling, small group, and evaluation. Direct instruction and modeling allows for me to be able to explain the concept to the students. Small groups lets the students practice making a graph on their own, learning from one another, and then the evaluation lets me, the teacher, know how well the students understand the concept that is being taught.